It's Christmas Eve, August Nacht. I will be writing a letter to Daddy Nanolik. So I started by writing what I wanted to say in English, and I picked sentences that I felt like I could handle translating into Irish. Alright, so here's the translated version, and I will read it to the best of my abilities. A Daddy Nanolik. Giaquet, tá sol agam go will to goma. Gur ma agat as na bruntanish gach blian. Tá brisky agus banya faga agan ditch. Tá sulagam gomanig to touchna vastu. Nolig hana ditch agus tur shavla unduch. Lamas, Sean. And my sister Shannon approves, so we're gonna go ahead and put out the milk and cookies. Time to go to sleep and see what happens in the morning. Alright, so it looks like the milk and cookies have been devoured, and it looks like the big guy left a little message. Turns out he does speak some Irish. I hope you guys have a happy holiday season, and I will see you guys next week.